Stop by and take a look at the 2021 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.